Yes sir, Rise and Grind back at you with another video with the Pull-Up King. Alright man, this video we got a 2014 Chevy Captiva, but it was already undone, so all of this was all out, like the air box, the battery. She just brought the battery, and you know, all the air box and everything. But I guess if you find a video on how to remove that portion, it'll be alright. But I'm gonna put it back together, and I guess maybe that'll help out. But I got it out, and basically I want to show y'all that this is the only way that you can get it off. You gotta get this tool set, this puller, and installer. Power Steering Pulley remover and installer for Ford, GM, and Chrysler. I don't know if that's the part number right there. So you can rent that from the parts store. Now, this one is to install the pulley. That one is to take it off. Now I got a little video showing how to use this, so I'll put the link in the description. And basically, it's two bolts. Is it two or three? Make sure. Yeah, it's 3 bolts. There's 3 bolts holding that pump in. See, we got the pump out. All right. I took the pulley off first, so I can get to the bolts, because this pulley, it wasn't turning. It would not turn. And you take off the hose right here. That hose clamp right there, and then this bolt right here, you break that free. That's what I use, but let me get the right size for you. Alright, so it's actually an 18mm wrench. Get that loose, and then we can come right out with that pump. Got the new pump right here. That's what that looks like. Other side. Alright, those are 3 bolt holes, and for the lines, and we're gonna go in reverse order. And that's that belt right there. I'm not sure where she got this pump from, so it's just in that box, so I can't give you that part number. Alright, we got that on there, and we got that hose on there. We're gonna work this back in there like that, and then we're gonna line it up, put the bolts in. Alright, we in there. So pretty much that's the setup, and you know, that's how you get it on. Reverse order how to get it out. And we're gonna go ahead and put this pulley on there. Alright, so we got it set up. Now we got a 17mm wrench on that. I'll hold that, and then we got that 14mm deep socket, and we got our ratchet, and we're gonna hold that, and pretty much just tighten it down. It's gonna go on. Already getting there. Alright, we turn that all the way down. You're looking good. We're gonna be flush. Back this out. Alright, we got that off. You see it's flush. Alright, we're gonna put this belt on there. Alright man, so this is what I had to get. This is what I got from AutoZone for like $30-something. It come with a longer one. I'm gonna show you. I already got it on the tensioner. That's the part number. And this is the only thing that worked for me, because it's slim enough to get in there. I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. Alright, get up here. So that's what we got. that was flat enough to get in there. And all you do is push it forward. Alright, we got that belt on there. Go ahead and put everything else back together. That's the right power steering fluid you're gonna put in there. Top that off. Alright, we got that in there. 2 bolts, 10 mils. Thing need a new air filter. Shit. That on. Mass airflow sensor connector, whatever that is. Alright, I don't know where this came from. Gotta find out what that connects to. Look like it's just been torn to pieces. Gotta hook that up. That's gonna be it, man. I hope the video helped out. Do need to bleed the air out of the power steering lines, out of the system. If it continues to make noise and it's stiff and hard, got air in the system. All right, man. Until next time, Pull Up King.